Welcome to Minexa.ai, the fastest way to scrape government agencies' data from Chile's gob.cl. No setup or maintenance needed, just clean data in minutes. Start on the gob.cl page where the list of government agencies is visible on screen. Next, click the icon at the top of your browser to open the Minexa.ai extension and get started. With the extension open, press the violet button labeled "I'm on the right page." Minexa will automatically identify the government agencies list here. Just like that, Minexa knows where the data is on this page and highlights it for you to confirm. Here, choose List Mode or dig deeper by letting Minexa open each agency's detail page for full data extraction. Click Continue or Advanced to set any extra clicks, scrolls, or inputs needed before your agency's list appears. That highlighted area is your dataset. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa reads it once, then reuses that knowledge for all pages. Minexa identified every piece of data on the page, including agency names, codes, and contact info, without you specifying anything. Developers, click the API Request button to get ready to run code for scaling with your own URL lists. Confirm and save your setup quickly by clicking Complete Configuration to finalize your scraper. Minexa spotted the Next Page button automatically, so full page coverage is built right into your scraper. On the final screen, set a schedule if you want fresh data automatically, then click Complete Setup. Click Run and Minexa gets to work extracting the full dataset of agencies fast and accurately. This entire dataset was produced without sending full pages to an LLM. Minexa targets exact data positions directly, making it faster and far cheaper at scale. It extracted agency names, codes, locations, and contact details precisely from gob.cl, ensuring no invented data and perfect consistency. Click Export to download your complete dataset immediately, ready to open and analyze. That's the full process, just minutes of setup for clean data from any website. Developers can scale further with the API and save significantly compared to LLM methods.